He just he sits around and he mopes all day.
Fridge McChest there.
That if he ever started watching soaps, I should
There's
shoot
Jeremy here.
him. I am. Gosh darn
My
it.
roommate, he says he ain't gonna fuck around with making me eat shit.
Oh
I don't believe him.
no. Worms.
Worms, cake,
I
yeah.
don't fucking care. Fridge McChest here has offered me the opportunity to feed him all sorts of gross, disgusting bullshit. And I'm gonna make the most nasty bullshit that anyone's ever seen. Yuck.
This is what he says. So make sure you subscribe to the Fridge McChest here, because future is gonna be ridiculous.
He's jacked up, but I'm not. He's gonna eat gross, yucky, awful, fucking terrible food. He says he's going to do it. We'll see what happens, folks.
I kind of knew about Kelso Morial.
Time will tell.
I didn't tell you. Excuse me? Which was wrong?
Make sure you subscribe.
Nice.
Thank you.
Send suggestions, because I will fucking make it.
Yeah. Send as many suggestions as possible.
I'll make a poop casserole for him.
Ugh. I'm not excited.
Cat turd casserole.
Not happy. He owns a cat. Not happy, folks. Let it ride. Let it ride. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you.